Leah, thank you. State transportation officials identified significant problems with the westbound side of the Washington Bridge 5 years ago. But Target 12 has found a series of legal disputes delayed critical repairs. Target 12 investigator Tim White is here now with what he's learned. Tim?
These are inspection pictures from 2018, 5 years ago, showing significant corrosion under the westbound side of the Washington Bridge. Records show the state knew then repairs were desperately needed, but a fight over who ultimately got the contract slowed things down. In a 2019 Rhode Island Department of Transportation application for federal funds to repair the Washington Bridge, DOT Director Peter Alviti told federal highway officials the state desperately needed funding because the bridge is nearing a permanent state of disrepair, adding the existing bridge structure and the current on and off ramps are decaying and must be addressed immediately. Alviti persuaded the feds, and in 2020 they greenlit a $25 million grant with the total tab to fix the bridge at $78 million, but the groundbreaking on the repairs would be nearly 2 years later. A Target 12 review of inspection reports, court documents, and state audits shows the state did an about-face on the agreement to award Carty Corporation the original contract. The change of heart came after the feds had reservations about Carty's. An internal email from a court filing reveals a federal highway worker wrote the state's own evaluation of Carty's bid found what the contractor is proposing is infeasible to the project, yet the state awarded it anyway. The feds would not release the grant money, so the state went in another direction. Carty's eventually sued, as did a company that lost the initial bid. That lawsuit wound its way through the state superior court, Carty's complaint in federal court. At the time, Carty's already had a state contract for repairs to another part of the Washington Bridge.
We terminated that contract with them. As it turns out, that was a very good decision at that point.
Within 4 months, a federal judge tossed Carty's lawsuit, opening the door for the state to award the Washington Bridge contract to 2 other companies. Of the $78 million earmarked to repair the bridge, a recent audit we reviewed shows $30 million has been spent so far. Repairs are now projected to be complete in August 2026. With the Target 12 investigators, Tim White, 12 News.